Oh, yeah.
Uh-oh.
We can't tow you, Matt.
Car available, they can head to the front of City Hall. We just got a call that the flagpole has fell over and it's causing traffic problems. Center engine 106.
Sure.
Fire number.
And I ain't getting out to push in those. What? I want to go surfing.
We were down earlier, but the tide was out.
All the cars are getting stuck.
Yeah. That's what I don't want.
Yeah, then we were stuck here.
Call center engine 1.
Is there a higher ground here?
What?
Yeah, we were. Oh, here comes the big one.
Oh,
This call meter was available. 557 has this call. Anyone is available.
we're gonna have to move.
54.
I have a feeling we're gonna have to move here at some point.
Call low image for
We'll run off.
Yeah, but
We'll just keep moving the car up and back some.
Central, did you say flagpole in front of City Hall was down? Airport, it was pulled in by the CSA. Fell down and then caused a traffic problem. Flagpoles are flying. I don't see any traffic issues here at the bottom of King Street at all. Airport. From 11 clear that sod call. No report, 10 4. Oh, I got a report number already.
I felt that.
There was one big one earlier, the 7 splashed up over the hood. That's why he goes back to the north.
yeah.
I think we're crazy.
52 arrived here. That tree is across Churchland Road.
See,
Close the barricades, all those barricades.
thinking you might want to move back and forth a little bit. Don't.
Just a tree. Get pushed out of the way. Yeah, what's it? So, you might want to call Alliance Essential. Airport. St. John Energy were notified as well as the Works Department was notified about that. Airport. Like I said, Alliance, one of their lines is across there, so we can let them know.
Oh, so that.
retarded.
I'm really surprised they haven't closed it down yet.
Well, that's what I
They're
was.
all fucking busy.
I'm so used to being tired.
Well, we were.
I just went
Physio.
to physio, get there, not even 5 minutes. Poof, hours out.
They're busy from Hampton right to Musquash. Everybody's out. They're not worried about this. If you're crazy enough to come down here, they don't care. I want to get another good one of it coming up.
I thought the waves were good yesterday.
What?
I thought the waves were good yesterday.
This is the best I've seen. Well, there was one time a few years ago that it was just as bad, if not worse.
Redhead Road's closed.
Just goes to show nobody has anything better to do in the middle of the week to come down here.
They closed Redhead Road. Redhead Road closed.
Yeah, where that all those rocks are.
I think you were already there.
What?
You were already there.
No, it's on the scanner.
Listen to the scanner. Bayside Drive is just nuts.
Here comes the good one.
Holy sweet nuts.
Oh, crap.
Holy shit.
Uh-oh.
Something's flying out of that way.
Yeah, that's even worse if you don't know what's in these waves.
Center from Car 11. Go ahead. I just saw something coming onto the causeway. Brazilian is through block. Sounds lane. Yeah, they're tied up, and it looks like they're going to be tied up for a while, blocking Thorn Avenue and the causeway and different areas like that. So that'd be great. Sergeant Allen, there's an assault call there at St. John High. Do you want me to swing over and do that?
An assault call at St. John High. And he's at school.
Hey, this is something I can't wait till tonight or tomorrow. Yeah. I'll head over there in the office here. I'll head over. Sarah, just check it out. If we can deal with it tomorrow, maybe just get some names and a file number. We'll follow up tomorrow. Well, it's unknown suspect anyways. They threw a cup of bleach on them walking down the street here, so.
Somebody threw a cup of bleach on someone walking down from St. John High. Backwards, dude. Backwards.
Would you still like to have us call them and tell them to call back tomorrow? A little different. Let's go down and see them there. 10-4.
Go back.
Have the residents been notified that the causeway eastbound is closed?
That was like eastbound closed.
Give them a call again. Make sure that they're aware of that.
There's west too.
Okay. I drive from the causeway to Redhead Road as well.
There's the Redhead Road closed.